So let's talk about the applications now. You see that you do have some applications over here. So configure, click on application. Now, for example, you do have a remediation server in your network, for example. So you are saying that, okay, I'm going to install one remediation server over here. So what happens this remediation server is that ICE is gonna do some authentication of this PC. And once the authentication is been done, so it will redirect that PC to do the scanning, for example. So once the scanning is been done and it got the score and I see that, okay, you are good and fine, that's not a problem. But this is your custom application. Now, custom application and you can integrate now. What you can do before we have seen that custom application means you do profile, define your port or define your IP address. That's the only thing you were doing. But now here you can actually define the port and IP address and connect the Stealthwatch management console to this application. So by default, Cisco has provided you with some of these applications. To configure the application, what you can do is that first go to your central management, and after going to the central management, go to the view appliance. I don't think so. It should be view appliance. Sorry. Application manager, app manager. Sorry. In the centralized management, you see that it's an app manager. Click on browse. And now by default, I have downloaded some application from the Cisco. So I will just use the report one, because when I did the testing, nothing works. Only this one works. So I think it's a report builder which has worked. I'll click on open. And now it is uploading. Application is now uploading to the Stealthwatch. So once that is been done, it should show that it is up and running over here. It should show that it is been installed.
So what are you installing now? The application, the software
Yes.
that will...
I want my application to be integrated with Stealthwatch management console so that I can see a dashboard of its separate dashboard.
Okay.
So once I install this one, and I will go to my GUI part and I will look for the dashboard whether I am able to see on that. I can generate the reports for now, but the only problem is that I want that application to be, I want to use this application and generate the reports. So just give it some time and it should be installed. Okay. And you see that successfully installed, and you see that it is been installed and it is showing you the report builder. If I go back to my GUI now, if I go back to dashboard and do a refresh, so before you were only able to see 3 options, now you should see 4 options with the report builder being added to that dashboard. See that? Report builder, click on this one. And this is your application now. If you are having a custom one, then this is your application. But now this will not work because I've already tried that one and I did not get any success in opening that app. For some reason, it is installing, but it is not opening. But for different applications, like these many applications are there, only this one was installing, but it does not show anything on that one. But I just want to show you that how you can integrate that one, how you can upload your application. But if you go to the dashboard, so before, if you have version 7.3 below 7.3, you do not have any option about this one. So you need to install the application which is known as visibility assessment. You were supposed to install this one and get that option, but in 7.3, from 7.3, by default, you're getting this option. So if you click on visibility assessment, you should get a world map now. Now this will show you an overview of your traffic over here. So your traffic, we have already seen this one, if you remember, but again, I'm coming this one. You see that it has also transferred some data to India. I don't know why. So these are the different things you can see. So if you click on here and here, we have already seen this one, but this is an app. It was supposed to be an app, but from 7.3, Cisco has already integrated inside your Stealthwatch management console. So that was regarding your applications. So next, let's go ahead and deploy the Active Directory.